With Pentaho Analyzer, users can create in-depth data analysis that allows intuitive investigation of data through an array of data visualizations and charts. During this lesson, you'll learn how to create and save an Analyzer report. In your Pentaho user console, click Create a new analysis on the launch screen in the default view of the console. This launch page is accessible when all other tabs in the main window are closed. If you have any other reports open, the same functionality can be accessed from the toolbar by clicking the New Analyzer Report button at the top of the user console. In the Select Data Source dialog box, please select the Sales Data data source. If you'd like to learn how to create a data source, please see the lesson Creating and Connecting to Your Data Source. You can either select the data source by double-clicking or by selecting and clicking OK. Notice the design panel consists of a field panel distributed into dimensions and measures. Measures consist of the numeric data that can be calculated and is depicted in the list with blue triangles. Dimensions are different aspects of the calculated data depicted with yellow rectangles. For instance, sales can very often be calculated based on time or location. In this example, sales represents your measure data and data that can be calculated. Time and location represents dimensions or different aspects of your sales data. With Analyzer, you can look at multiple aspects of your calculated data. Let's begin by dragging your sales measure to the measure drop region. You'll notice that your measure drop region has a blue triangle just above the drop area. Once you drop sales into the measure area, you will have one calculated value that is the sum of all your sales. Now drag the territory dimension to the row dimension drop area. You'll see your sales distributed across your 4 different territories. Now drag the year dimension to the column dimension drop area. You'll see a table that represents sales totals intersected by territory and year. In order to give greater differentiation to your grid data, you can conditionally format the measured data to make the high sales values display in green. This can be accomplished by clicking the small arrow next to the measure name on the design pane. You can also drill down dimensional hierarchies by double-clicking a dimension member. As you drill down, you will now see the sales data become more granular based on the country and state levels in the market's dimension. Now click on the disk icon in the toolbar. Navigate to the Steel Wheels directory by double-clicking Steel Wheels. Now double-click on the Analysis directory. Enter a name for your report of My Sales Report and click Save. Now we can easily convert the report from a grid table analysis to a meaningful chart visualization. Analyzer has a wide variety of visualizations to best represent your data. For our example, we choose the stacked column chart. Click on the down arrow next to our chart selector and select stacked column. You can see that the numbers are now represented in separate columns for each state. You can now quickly and visually assess your sales leaders for each year. Click on the Save As icon in the toolbar and save your report as My Sales Chart. And congratulations! You have now created your first analysis grid and chart visualization. To find out more information about the powerful Pentaho platform, try another lesson, or contact Pentaho and start your free proof of concept with the expertise of a Pentaho sales engineer and your very own data. For more information, see us at pentaho.com.